Hello, Nushrat.
Hi, Monica. How are you?
Good. How are you? Welcome to India Currents.
Thank
I love your name. It has a little bit of a Bengali feel to it. The S sound is softened, hushed like Nushrat.
you.
It's very pretty.
How sweet. Thank you. I didn't know that. I didn't know it had a Bengali sound to it.
Yeah, because in Calcutta, when we were in Calcutta, all the names, the S name, like my sister's name is Samita. So they used to call her Shomita.
Oh, okay.
So wonderful. So tell me about this movie, Chalang.
Yeah. Well, it's a film that we are trying to do for children and also kind of emphasize on the importance of physical fitness in schools because that's where children pick up the best habits and I think it's very important to kind of make them aware of how important physical fitness is
Mhm.
along with the studies that they do and the academics that they have to kind of keep up with and how a teacher, a PT teacher in this case, but generally teachers on a whole, the important role they play in a child's development, because they do look up to teachers as role models, and a teacher can totally make or break a child's interest in a certain field. Today, I mean, I wish I would have had teachers that would make me interested in sports and in physical fitness, which at that point didn't happen. Maybe I would be playing some sport, or maybe I would have picked up something else. So I feel like it's a film that kind of touches upon all these subjects and topics, and it's a light-hearted comedy. So it's something people can laugh and enjoy and watch with the whole family.
So, for the US audience, can you tell me what the word chalang means?
Chalang literally means taking a leap. It could be a leap of faith. It could be a focused, goal-oriented leap. But it's a title which kind of makes you do an action. It's a very action call to action sort of title where they're telling you to jump leaps and bounds and miles to reach that goal and to reach your destination and not be afraid.
That's very good. So, the PT teachers, they have played a very important role in our lives. I still remember my PT teacher from Bombay, St. Anthony's School, Mrs. Money. She used to call herself, I am money, money, money. So she used to make people remember her. And I was astonished, after so many years, I met her actually in US at Arsha Vidya Gurukulam. So you are right, PT teachers do play a great role. And in the US, the PT, physical training, is called physical education, PE. So it's very interesting. And I remember that children, we would like to go to that PT class, but it was more like a chit chat. And I always used to be the person in the last, and she used to come and make me stand up straight and do all my jumping jacks and all. So
Yeah.
that's wonderful. I think that's wonderful. And then there's another aspect of this movie, which I have just watched the trailer. There are some very interesting numbers, with the rap artists like Hani Singh and Guru Randhawa. So that the first one, Tu Mainu Phone Nahi Karda,
Yeah.
Could you tell me about that? And can you sing a little bit?
I can rap the whole thing.
That'll be good.
You really want me to rap the whole thing? I can. I will.
No,
Okay.
no, no, no. We don't have time. I would love it, but maybe some other time. But just wrap the first couple of lines.
I swear किसी लड़की को ना कभी स्टेयर करूं ऐसी कोई मिली नहीं जिससे तुझे कंपेयर करूं खाना खाने जो तू बैठे पीछे तेरी चेयर करूं इससे ज्यादा किस्त की अब कितनी मैं केयर करूं जो हुक्म करे वो सब में करूं तेरे पीछे किस किस से लड़ूं तो काम करूं फिर तू ही बता किस गलती की मुझे देती सजा and then there's another line but we'll cut it here.
This is cute, but see, the communication through phone has become such a big thing for millennials, your generation. When we were in school and college, we didn't have phone. We only had a house phone, and that also somebody would pick up on the other line. And
Oh,
I remember, after you finished talking, there would be another click. So that made us feel that someone has already listened to our conversation. But you guys have texting, you have emojis, you have TikTok, you have Snapchat, and the number itself, I think, is very catchy. So, how do you feel interacting with all these rap artists?
I'm a huge fan of Honey Singh. He's actually one of the first celebs, and honestly, the only celebs I've ever taken a picture with, like a selfie with, in my entire life. I'm that big a fan. I have watched his songs, rapped his songs, danced to his songs. I think he's outstanding. He's a legend. Like there are great artists, and then there's a legend. Yo-Yo Honey Singh for me is a legend. And I'm very blessed because even in SKTKS, he made a comeback with my film, and he gave us two songs, and they both were super duper hits. So I think we've got a great sort of connect when it comes to doing great songs together. And then he has a song in this film also, which Kenny Karda has also taken off so well. Such a sweet song, so different from what Honey Singh would ideally write and do. It's such a sweet love song with a rap set up in a middle class family's house in a hall, which the
Yeah.
husband is singing for his wife. I mean, I don't think a husband in a middle class house would rap something for his wife, but that I think is
I
very
mean,
sweet.
that even that they would take the chair out for the woman to sit down. I think that's a big thing. But I think we should, with your roles in these movies, we are still kind of, it's my feeling, that we are still trying to woo the guys, whereas it should be opposite. The guys should be wooing you, and you should be saying that I'm not going to pick up your phone. So tell me a little bit about that role, and how you compare your role in this movie compared to the other movies which you have done.
Whole era
Yeah,
of
a couple of movies.
90s where the boys wooed the girls, and at least iconically for me, it was Madhuri ji who kept saying, "I don't have time for you, and you're not my kind." So we've
Yeah,
gone from an era of that romance to an era now where it's just turntables and it's the other way around. Now the girls are also wooing the guys equally. I see it like a new sort of language of romance, and it's entertaining, it's fun, it's fresh. And I'm sure the wooing is both ways, and it'll not stop. It'll now suddenly there'll be a new wave where it's the men doing it back for the girls also. So I think it'll
exactly.
happen. Let's have fun wherever we are right now with it.
Yeah, that's good. So, the storyline, I think the backdrop is like a small town in Punjab, is it? Or in UP? Where is the movie shot? It's in Punjab?
Haryana, yes.
In Haryana. Okay, yeah. Then I understand that. That would make sense with the rap artists. And tell me a little bit about yourself. If you would have not become a movie star, then what was your other vocation choice?
Um, I actually never had a backup plan, but I had dreams of fleeting dreams, which were just options at that point that came and went, like how fads in fashion come and go. I thought at one point I'd be an air hostess because I wanted to travel the world. Then at one point I thought I'll do production because I did it really well at one point. Then I thought I'd do something in the travel industry. At one point I thought I'll be a lawyer because I saw a government law college right next to Jain, and I'm like, oh, I want to study here. Makes no sense. But I just had these random thoughts that came in while I was still trying to find a path for myself, and acting just happened, and then there was just no plan B.
That's good. That's good. I'm sure. I think your name itself has made you victorious, right? You know the meaning of your name is victory, and I'm sure
I
what
would
else?
say the
What
name
do you?
spreading something, a good teaching, spreading a good sort of message, whether it is about life or philosophy. It's just spreading something happy and good to a larger section of the world. That's what I
That's
would.
very poetic. That's very poetic. So, who gave you your name?
My mom and dad.
Both of them together. That's wonderful. So I think this movie is going to be very successful, and we all are going to be dancing to the songs. And hopefully, after the COVID pandemic is over, at some point, you guys can come visit US, and then we can see you in person and dance with all of you.
Oh, that would be amazing. That would
What do
be.
you? How do you like acting with Rajkumar Rao? I think he's a very interesting actor. Very good.
He's a great actor. He's a great co-star. He's a great human being. All of those combinations together make the whole experience so amazing and so enriching that I want to do more films with him, and I want to be on more sets with him and kind of experience that all over again with him. It was a great experience.
Yeah, I am sure. I've seen some of the stills, and So
Yeah.
that would be wonderful. And any other new movies coming for you? Anything else you're planning to do?
I have Hurdam releasing. I don't know when. We still have to finish shooting for it.
Hmm.
Of course, I'm starting another film called Chori in November, which
Hmm.
also I don't know would release when. We have to still shoot it. So
So
next
COVID
time,
precautions you guys have to take. COVID precautions while shooting.
those are all in place. There are certain mandates, certain compulsories which we have to follow, certain sort of checklists. All of that has to be put into place. Only then can we kind of begin. Yeah.
That's so. Who's your biggest fan? Your mom or your dad?
I I don't know mom's right here, but I've never asked this question. I don't think either of them can be a fan.
Yeah,
I think they can. Of course, the question is who loves me more, but I don't even think I'll put them in a tough spot to answer that. My dad is very critical of my work,
Mhm.
so he watches everything and he keeps giving me feedback and advice on a lot of things. But I think they're both equally invested in me emotionally and career-wise. They've given me a lot and they've supported me a lot.
That's wonderful. That's very good. I mean, I give you all my blessings too,
Thank
and
you.
I hope that it'll be wonderful. So hope to see you soon sometime
Hope to
in the
see
US or in India.
you.
Okay,
All right.
all the best.
See
Thank you.
you. Bye.
Bye.